It's the middle of the summer, so we decided to make a video of our favorite refreshing smoothie. Please watch this video. Let's make the smoothie.
First, we will put the mango, then the orange, and then the apples, the spinach, and then we will add the water. I'll make sure it's tight. Okay. Make sure there are no lumps. I think this is okay.
Put the juice in a nice glass.
Now let's make the garnish. Cut it like this. And then like this. On the glass. Another one. And the orange. Okay. And the other one.
Now let's put the straws. Very delicious.
It's my favorite. I want to drink this all. We call this green tropical smoothie.
We hope you liked our video. Please leave a
Like
like and
and
subscribe.
subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.